What's up, guys? Today we're going to be turning this Coleman cooler into a boombox. This is a 1970 Coleman cooler. I think the year range is 65 to 70 that they made this design. We're going to be using car parts. Essentially, you can find all these things just for a regular car stereo. The battery, the speakers, the head unit, the wiring, the kill switch, etc. Upon initial layout, I figured out those small speakers were not going to work for this. These holes are for the jigsaw. I don't know why I drilled so many, it just kind of got away from me and I just kept doing it, but... Side note, I don't know what this insulation is made from in the 1970s, but it was like sticky. The texture was really weird. So if I get mesothelioma or something in 10 years, this is definitely where it's from. That's where we're at right now. Have our battery tender. Let that charge for a while. Had to overnight this little piggyback from Amazon. Okay, she's wired. I got these guys. Mount them like somewhere down there. I don't know if you can see that. All right, here's our cord. Just did a little, I don't know, 1/4 inch hole. Then down here, we have this little crimp for fencing. So you cannot pull this out any. And I spliced it back in over here. I think a 12 pack will fit here, hopefully. Okay guys, little explanation. This frame is to hold in all the electrical and stuff, and also the head unit, and those little white handles that you saw earlier, those were to ratchet strap down the battery. I didn't film this whole process of building this frame because I drilled through my hand and I kind of forgot, but you get the idea. Countersink. Look away in exactly 2 seconds if you don't want to see blood. This is where I drilled through my hand. Something like that. Sick. Just drilled through my hand on accident. Alright, back to work. Alright, all clear. This is a little access panel, so I can mess with wiring if I need to. Tiling a cooler kind of felt illegal, but it was the easiest way to finish this and cleanest. Alright guys, time for the big reveal. We are making a radio out of a cooler. I didn't mention this earlier, but there is bottle openers inside of the handles, which is pretty 1970. I can't really show the audio because I will get copyright infringement, but this thing is insanely bassy because it's coaxial. Alright guys, we are all done. I love this thing, loved how it turned out. I'd like to make more stuff kind of like this. This is definitely very usable. Only if you go to the gym though. This thing probably weighs 80 pounds, but it's still very cool. Definitely gonna use it camping, fishing, boating, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, I'm gonna make more of it. Check out the channel, and thank you. Have a good day. That is no joke. She thick as hell, but she does fit a 12 pack.